Alright guys, what's up? Just got back from the post office. I mailed out that glass cutter. I was thinking about filming it inside, but decided against it. Post office is not a place you want to be at this time right now. A lot of stressed out people. People need to get their mail out and you're standing 6 feet away from everybody. It's good, it's keeping people safe, but it's just everybody's trying to mail out stuff. So it's been pretty cool reading all your comments about how you guys got started. I had a really fun time just going through them and seeing how all your stories are different and how everybody else's experience brought us all here. So thank you, that was entertaining. So it got me thinking about if I've ever even shared my story of how I got started. I may have talked about it at some point or maybe not, I'm not sure. But since you told me your story of how you started, I should share how I got into this. So really it was by random chance, super random. This was in San Francisco. I think it was in the Mission a couple years back. My wife and I were walking around like on a weekend just checking out stores and doing things like that. We passed by this store and they had this pinwheel stained glass thing that was hanging by the window, and I remember looking at it, was super mesmerized by it. Like, I've never seen anything like it. I've never really seen stained glass work before. Nothing at all. Not online ever. And not even church windows. Never even paid attention to that, actually. Basically, super new to it and saw this thing that was just hanging out there, looking at it like, man, what the heck is this thing? Like, who made this? And how was it even possible? And to me, it was so cool that like the light was hitting it and the glass was shining with the light and the reflection of the glass, and I was just so hooked on it. Basically went home, got home and searched YouTube how to do stained glass or something like that. All these videos came up and I sat there and tried to learn it, how to break the glass and cut it, and also different types of tools that they were using. But what I saw online didn't cover a lot of the steps, so I was still confused. But I decided I was gonna make one and try it out for myself just to see it and see how that would work out. So I found a shop nearby, I bought a few tools, I bought some of the things I thought I needed, then came home and got started drawing up that feather. I've got that first feather that I made. I got a video on it, I'll put it up somewhere over here. So that was my absolute first stained glass piece, which came out okay. You guys probably saw it, it was alright. It's nice to keep it around just to see where I started and where I'm at today. So after that first feather, I made the Sri Yantra dream catcher. I gave that out to our friends for their wedding. And so after that, I was hooked. Basically, I just decided I want to continue this and keep going with it. And also the main thing was to really get all the stuff that I learned and pass it along to you guys to be able to do it on your own as well. So I wanted to cover everything so you are not lost in this and you'll be able to start and figure out with the videos that I have here, so then you can be able to make one yourself. So that's pretty much it. That's my story. That's how I got started. If you haven't left a comment, would love to hear how you got started. So for today's project, I want to make my first stained glass thing that I've ever seen, which is going to be this circular pinwheel. I want to make it colorful, so I will probably add all the colors into it. So it'll probably just have a few slices in there. We'll figure that out. So yeah, that's gonna be a pretty good one. You get to do some straight cuts. You can do some curves. So it should be regular, easy straight cuts. And then we've got the slight curves on the outside. And then you can go with whatever colors you want. Again, all the links and everything that you guys will need to help you to get started, I'll leave those down below in the description. All right, well, I'm excited to see how this is gonna turn out. So let's get started, get our tools, and let's get going on this. So I want to figure out how many slices we need in this circle. Alright, so let's start. Just play around a bit here. Do a circle. If we did simple circle like that, looks like a regular wheel. There we go. I do want to make it pretty big, like as big as this piece of paper. Let's go 3.5. Let's try that, 3.5. Alright, that looks like a pretty decent size. But now, how do we decide to divide this up? There's our center right there. So depending on how many colors we want, how many colors are in a rainbow? Why are there 7 colors in the rainbow? 7 colors in a rainbow, I knew that. So we got red, orange, yellow, green, blue, indigo, and violet. Yeah, hopefully we got those glass colors in my storage. So does that mean that we should divide this pinwheel into 7 different sections. Yeah, let's see how that could work. How to divide circle in 7 equal parts. Oh boy. Take a straight line from the upper crossing point. What? Alright, we're going to YouTube.
Today we are going to learn how to divide any circle into 7 equal parts. The first step is to draw as a vertical diameter which cuts our circumference at points A and B. So I hope this video has helped you. Please press like or subscribe to our YouTube channel.
Amazing. Alright, we're gonna go, we gotta go over there and say hi. We will be following up on this person. Definitely shout outs to Arthur Geometry. Holy crap, nice work. Subscribed. And the bell. Oh man, this is so good. What we were supposed to do is draw a big line down the middle, scribe it, go over there. Alright, so this distance and this distance is the new distance that we're looking for. That doesn't match. We're close. Maybe let's redo this. Alright, let's rewatch this thing. So here it is. This point, and this point, this point, this point. Alright, that was quite a mess up, but I should have just followed it completely. I don't know how that worked out. We're going to try it again. So we're going to start off at 3.5, right about there. Okay, we draw a line down the middle. We keep the compass at the same setting. Let's connect them. Now we could reset the compass from this point to here. Okay, so that's our new divider right there. So keep that the same. Alright, hope this works. 1, 3, 6, and 7. Wow, pretty good. Okay, that's awesome. Alright, good. So then let's divide the circle up. So nice. 7's a good start. So you can make 14 of these. You can make it simple, 7 different colors for the rainbow, or you can divide it even more to double it up and make it 14 pieces. Just like this pie right here is split into 2. So we can double it up and make it 14. Yeah, what the heck. Let's go with the double. So we're going to do 14 slices here. Just for the heck of it, so we can do more. We'll do different types of glass or different shades. Yeah, I think that's going to look good. So if you want to do just 7 colors, then perfect. If you want to go more and do 14, awesome. So all I need is just 1 cut, 1 slice of this piece, and then we could copy that to the rest of the glass. That is pretty interesting, isn't it? Arthur Geometry, thank you so much. What a cool way to learn. So the trickiest thing that we're going to have to work with today is making sure that our pieces all fit together well when it comes back into this circle. Alright, let's see what we've got. Looks like a good bin. I'm gonna need some reds for sure. Maybe some of that. What the heck? Oh, we got some yellow. That's good stuff. Okay, I don't know if we can get a rainbow out of this, but let's see. Okay, so we're gonna do 14 pieces. Essentially, I want to do just 7 colors, but in different shades. And violet. Alright, let's go with red first, since we know we have that. I just need to cut this size of a pie out. Does that look red? Super dark. This is kind of cool. I might use that. That's very orangey. I think that's it. We got it all. Let's cut it up and see how it looks, just because it's hard to imagine until they're all connected. So first we'll trace. Nice. So if you can see, this is way too small for the running pliers to be able to grip and break on this side. So I'm going to try the grazing pliers for that. And some safety glasses. Can't forget these. Cool, not bad, huh? That's pretty tight right now. So my next one, I'm just gonna cut inside the line and see if we can make it a little bit smaller. Ooh. Okay, little tip broke. Might not be too bad, but let's just cut it right on the line. You can always grind it down. You can't go back the other way. Looks good. I didn't know it was going to be pretty hard to choose this indigo. Thinking I had a lot of blues, but not so many of this darker, deeper blue color, the indigo. So really I have just these two pieces. That was a nice score. You can see that line right there. And also this is cathedral glass, so it breaks a lot easier, scores really nice. Much easier to work with than the opalescent glass, which is the non-see-through type. Oh, okay, we gotta do another one. Just clip that corner off. Alright, this one's not pulling out so nice. Just have to crunch it. Okay, that's good enough. Don't want to keep breaking it. Dang, it turned messy real quick. All because of this one piece, but everything was cutting so nice. So guys, we still have quite a bit of steps left to go before we complete this whole project. So let's finish everything up in the next video, and please be sure to subscribe so you'll know when the next video will post. Thanks for hanging with me, and I'll see you guys in the next one.